Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I get to share with you the best deals I got over at Walgreens this morning. So many amazing deals. I did some of them as curbside deals so I could use a promo code. I did others as in-store deals because I know a lot of you like to do your shopping in store. For the first time in a long time, I used a paper booster that I got yesterday for spend $50, get $10 back in Walgreens cash. So I will tell you exactly how I did that deal towards the end of the video. There were also so many items on clearance at the store, but someone beat me there. I was so bummed out. There were a number of things at my store marked to 90% off. And when I turned the corner, there was already someone on the aisle, so I knew it was all gonna be gone. But she was super sweet because she let me put some of the stuff back to snap pictures. That way I could show you guys the product and the cost of the item, even though I didn't purchase them all. So it was fun that she allowed me to do that. So I will include those pictures at the end of the video. Other quick announcements, thank you. Tanya, who I saw this morning in the store, she stopped and said something to me and said, hey, I love your videos. And I'm so glad she stopped and said hi. So if you see me out and about, definitely say hi. I mean, clearly I was wearing this shirt this morning, so she could easily verify that it was me who was shopping and trying to get those deals done and get the video made so you guys could see what the best deals are this week. If you're shopping curbside, don't forget to go through Rakuten first because you will get additional money back into your Rakuten account. I believe it was 2% this morning when I was doing my shopping. As always, if you are brand new to Rakuten, if you place an order of $30 or more out of pocket and you've signed up with Rakuten using my link, you are going to get $30 back. So amazing deal for first-time users. All right, let's talk about these deals. I'm going to tell you about them individually. Then I will tell you how I did the spend 50, get 10. So let's start with the Zantac because this one's kind of different. And couponing for me is not just about getting free stuff. It's about getting stuff that my family needs at the lowest possible price point. So I saw these today. The Zantac is $11.99. There is a $3 store digital coupon as well as a $3 manufacturer digital coupon. So $6 will come off your total. Because I placed this as a curbside pickup, I also used the promo code GET10 that took another 60 cents off this item, making my final cost $5.39. Now I did check Ibotta because sometimes Ibotta will have rebates on the Zantac, but I did not see an offer today. Maybe one will pop up later in the week because that would be fantastic. But $5.39, that's more than 50% off the regular price. So I went ahead and grabbed a box. These bad boys. Okay, so I tried this out this morning to see if it would work, and it did. So these small Clorox to-go wipes, they're priced at $1 each. There's currently an offer on checkout 51 for $1.13 back when you buy Clorox wipes. So that makes them completely free and a 13-cent moneymaker each. Now the limit was 5. I only grabbed 2 of them because I wanted to make sure it worked, but that money did hit my account. So snag yourself some of these Clorox freebies. The Cortisone 10. So this was a decent deal, not an amazing deal, but if you need it, it's a good time to grab it. So if you buy 2 of these, or buy one, get one half off, so that will be $8.23 for 2 of them. There's a $1 Walgreens store digital coupon, so $2 will come off because that dollar will attach to each of them. Then I had 2 different manufacturer coupons for $1.25 off, which attached to each of them. So my final cost was $3.73 for both, or just $1.86 each. Now, this was a fantastic deal, but I don't think everyone got the coupon. These Epsom salts are $1.99. Check your digital coupons because I had a $1.50 coupon, making this big bag just 49 cents. Another awesome grocery deal this week is on the Kraft mac and cheese. They are on sale for 99 cents, which already beats the Walmart price. There is an Ibotta rebate for 10 cents back, making your final cost 89 cents. But if you place it for curbside pickup, use that code GET10. It's going to take another 10 cents off, making your final cost just 79 cents total. Now, if you are brand new to Ibotta, grab it using my referral code because you're going to score an additional $10 when you scan that first receipt. Another great Ibotta deal, and I grab these every time because my son actually likes them and they have some good calories for him. So these are $9.99. I placed it as a curbside order with the coupon code GET10 that took $1 off. Then I submitted my receipt to the coupons.com app where I got $4 back, as well as $2 back on Ibotta, making my final cost just $2.99. Now I'm going to show you how I did this deal in store as part of that spend 50, get 10 as well. Okay, the free toothpaste for this week. The Colgate, and I grabbed a different kind this time. These are $2.99 each. There's a $2 digital coupon. So once you click that, you will pay $3.98 for both of them, getting back a $4 register reward, making them both free and a 2-cent moneymaker. The Oral-B or Crest products are also buy 3, get a $5 register reward. So in store, I grabbed 2 of the toothbrushes and I grabbed 1 of these Oral-B Super Flosses, all at $3. So my total was $9. I actually love this Super Floss too. There's a $6 digital coupon. So you're going to pay $3 for these items and get back a $5 register reward, making them free and a $2 moneymaker. Now, here's something to think about. There was a 25-cent rebate on Ibotta for the toothpaste, which is supposed to be included in the buy 3, get a $5 register reward, and a part of that $6 coupon. But I purchased 3 of those and my $5 register reward did not print. So I'm not sure why that happened on the toothpaste, but it did in fact print for the toothbrushes and the floss. So great deal there. Let's talk about the Dove. So I bought this last week. The $7 coupon came back again this week. These Dove men body washes are 2 for $14. There's a $7 digital coupon, making them 2 for $7. But then you get a $4 register reward for buying 2 of them, making your final cost $3 or just $1.50 each. And that register reward printed no problem. The Garnier, probably not something I would have purchased if I didn't have that spend 50, but the deal is they are 2 for $7. There's a $3 digital coupon, making them 2 for $4 or just $2 a piece. I'll tell you in a minute how I put it together in my spend 50 deal. Now, the Bausch & Lomb Eye Relief Eye Wash. This is priced at $4.49. There was a $3 digital coupon as well as a $2 digital coupon, making this item completely free. This one I did as curbside. The Tide. Not a bad deal here. The Tide Simply is $3.49. There is a 50-cent coupon, so makes your final cost just $2.99. These adorable baby bibs and shoes were on clearance 90% off. So instead of $10, they were $1, but they were also ringing up buy one, get one half off. So I got 1 for $1 and 1 for 50 cents. So great deal on those. This is a deal I posted about on Instagram and Facebook yesterday. I think I even threw it onto a YouTube short. These Trolley candy, so these are the sour bursting crawlers. They were on clearance at my store for 39 cents, and there's an Ibotta offer for 50 cents back, making each of them an 11-cent moneymaker, and it was a limit of 5, so I grabbed 5 packs and I made 55 cents buying it all. Before I tell you about the spend 50, get 10 scenario that I worked out, don't forget when you buy Procter & Gamble products, you can submit it to the PG Good Everyday Rewards program and you get points for each P&G product that you buy, and then you can redeem those points for gift cards. So if you're not a part of that program yet, it's completely free to join. I will drop a link down below where you can start registering, and then you scan your receipt. You get 50 points for each of the Procter & Gamble products that you buy. And then typically it's 750 points is equivalent to a $5 gift card. So I tend to cash out for some Starbucks, just another perk of items that you're already getting for a super inexpensive price. Or in this case, this week it was completely free. Okay. Spend 50, get 10. These are the items that I purchased in store with my paper booster. I grabbed the Tide, the mac and cheese, the Splenda, the toothbrushes, and the Oral-B floss. I got the Dove body wash, the Garnier, and the Colgate. So my total before coupons was $50.45. Your total has to be at least $50 after Walgreens store coupons, but it could be before manufacturer coupons. So the coupons that came off after that $50.45 was the $3 for the Garnier, the $7 for the Dove, the $6 coupon on the Crest. I had a $4 printable coupon for the Splenda, and I can link that for you down below. A 50-cent digital coupon on the Tide. So I paid $27.95, and I did pay that out of pocket. I got back the $10 for spending 50. I got back a $4 register reward for the Dove, a $4 register reward for the Colgate, a $5 register reward for the Crest, 10 cents back on Ibotta for the mac and cheese, $2 back on Ibotta for the Splenda, making my final cost for all of those items $2.85 total. So super great use of that spend 50, get 10, but I could have made it even better. But due to time constraints, I didn't. I had a digital booster for spend 60, get 15. So literally I could have spent $10 more and gotten another $15 back. I just didn't put it together this morning. I was planning on the spend 50. So that is that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them down below. And I hope you have an amazing start to your week. Thanks.